Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cars Out of Their Boxes. Now, it's Christmas Eve here where I am, and thought I'll just do a quick one. I found this one today. It's the Mazda MX-5 in the very sporty design, Japanese car. Yeah, I love the box. Boxing's good. It's 3 out of 10 there. 69, 250. Let's open it up and I'm here to talk about the box. There she is. Nice little body kit there. Very good. Alright, let's go quickly through it. Alright, so as we have here, you got the nice number 5 there. You have Mazda there, Hot Wheels there as well. A few other things there. You got black rims with the white trimming. That definitely looks good. Starting to really like the trimming as well. I like that. Then we have the front here. Nice. It looks kind of angry, as I say. You got the Mazda symbol just there. Hood. You got Mazda. You got the 5. You got the strip there, and a few other advertisements there. Got the nice body kit there, as we can see. Nice front bumpers there. Same on this side as well. At the back, this aggressive spoiler. Look at that. That's very, very aggressive. Looks awesome. For the number plate, the lights here, they could have at least put some stickers on there or painted or something there. Make it look a little bit better. Now, here I'm assuming that I was looking before that this is an exhaust pipe connection. Not too sure, but looks like it. Inside, it's a right-hand drive, which is awesome. Inside, you've got the 2 seats. Yeah. Not bad at all. There we are. Awesome. That was just a quick video on this one. I have many more coming out. I will be opening soon some treasure hunts. We'll get them out of the box. So that will be coming in the next few days. Let Christmas pass, and yeah, before New Year's we'll have a few more videos. So thank you.